When my turn comes, I will simply prevent myself from turning into what he turned into.
Oh. Ah, oh, wow. What? Huh? What? Oh. Blue light crosses first. Okay, slow down. Slow down. Oh, God, this. Oh, man. Oh, frick. I'm gonna get nauseous here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, man. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. I'm going for it. What a strange finale. But I kind of love it. It's really nauseating, but wow. Oof. Not too slow, not too slow. Come on. Gotta save the baby birds. I didn't think that I would be on the bird side, but goddamn. What a way to finish this. Who built this, by the way? Like, I know this is all of this is very not purpose built. Who built this exact way to get out of here? The only means to escape is to ride two big fleshy bird creatures and then get them in the exact right order. Did I do it? Oh, I did it. Wait, you missed the stairs? I think you missed the stairs.
You can run away, but the smell of your pancreas will always draw me to you.
Really? Uh-oh. Oh. Look out, Pink Bird! Pink Bird, look out! Where am I going? Oh, a hug? What is that? Oh.
Stop it, you two.
Oh! What? Why did you just jump? Okay. I'm gonna go now, I think. I can't see anything, but I'm gonna go now. Oh, bird! Baby bird! Are you okay? Find the kingdom, find the sheriff. Do not let the jester find you. What? Alright, I guess. I guess. Alright. You're with me, bud.